welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video because so many of you asked me to do pretty much like a first impression on my LOCKME bag that I recently unboxed from Louis Vuitton. So if you haven't seen that unboxing, I'm gonna link it above here and hopefully I won't forget. It will be in the description box, or you can just go back and check it out. I did exchange this bag. I pretty much returned my pochette Matisse, which I used for, gosh, almost 4 years, and unfortunately it was defective, and they pretty much, you know, gave me the credit, and I was able to exchange for this bag. I picked this bag because I wanted the crossbody bag, and pretty much this is quite similar, I would say, in a way to pochette Matisse, and I didn't like the leather version of the pochette Matisse with the gold hardware. It just did not look good. So I picked up this bag instead. This is the MYLOCKME. This is the medium version. There's a BB version which is a little bit smaller. This one is pretty much the size of the pochette Matisse. It's slightly bigger, but I'm really talking slightly. But the idea of this bag and kind of the all the compartments and everything is pretty much the same. So I have been using it ever since I unboxed a couple of weeks ago. I got it in March, and I've been using it non-stop because this is such a versatile bag and work as my if I don't have to take a lot of stuff, it works for me as my work bag. And if I have some concerts that we go out of city, the symphony, I can still take this with me. So because it's it's kind of black, and I don't like to leave my bags like backstage, especially in the shady places, like you don't know where to go, so I'm kind of sneaking it on the stage with me. So this works perfectly, and I love the silver hardware on this. So far, you guys, I'm pretty happy with this bag. I'm gonna show you first what I have inside before I'm gonna talk some more about it. So let's just go right into it. I took obviously all the protective stickers out. So this is a beautiful, like, kind of a lining, microfiber lining inside. It's all black. I hope you'll be able to see. I did not clean my bag. It's a messy situation in here. So I'm gonna start with this pocket right here. I do have a tissues in here, which I always carry with me. Then I have a lip gloss, which shouldn't be there because I have the cosmetic pouch. This is Rouge Coco in size in color 119. It's Your Lips But Better. That's not what I have today. I have a Laura Mercier lipstick. I have my work key, which I have attached to the clay. I should probably put them inside, but I'm kind of lazy to do that. So what else is in here? There's a bunch of change. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it there. There's a couple of change. All right, the next thing I have is my watch. We had a rehearsals yesterday evening, and I was actually wearing this watch. This is actually an awesome watch. This is by Michelle, and this is one of those sporty watches. I usually wear this one. I'm gonna link it. They are not available, but I'm gonna link similar down below if you want to check it out. But that's what I was wearing last night, and I kind of put it in my bag because I cannot play with the watch on. And then I do have a loose compact. This is by Pores. Like I said, we have been traveling recently, and I just wanted to have like a little compact. Normally I don't carry compact with me because I don't need to touch up, but I knew I'm gonna be like away for the entire day. So oh, by the way, I'm reaching for the middle compartment right now. So then I have my Chanel cosmetic case, and as you can see, it's open. I didn't even bother to close, and I have just a bunch of lipsticks, and this is amazing, by the way, Beauty Blender pocket. So I have just mainly lippies in here because I'm addicted to lippies. There's more change. I'm gonna put it in here. This is my Caudalie hand cream. I love this hand cream. This is like a mini version. Okay, what else is in here? I have a little hair clip. This is all, and a pencil that probably shouldn't be there also. loose, so let me just put it in my cosmetic pouch. Okay, so that's pretty much the middle compartment is empty. Now I'm going to the third compartment, and to be honest with you guys, I switched from my Clemence wallet temporarily because I didn't want to take all the cards with me as I was traveling. So I took my card holder from Chanel, and I did a review of that card holder. This card holder is amazing. So I have my debit card, credit card, my driving license, and I think I have some cash in here, so I should put the change in here as well. This is amazing. And you know, honestly you guys, because this bag has like those 2 slip pockets, this card holder comes, look at this, I can just put it nicely in this one of the pockets and just stays there beautifully. So, and I also, in the other pocket, I just have my key for my car, which I took it out of my little clay, Louis Vuitton clay, because I just wanted to be quite compact, because I was taking with me, you guys, which I don't have. Oh, by the way, this is pretty much it. The money is like moving around my bag. Let me just take them out because they make too much noise. Okay, so the reason I went so compact on my you know, wallet and everything, I didn't really want to carry all the stuff with me just to begin with, but I wanted to take my mini iPad. So I just want to show you guys that mini iPad would fit beautifully. See this? This is the iPad 4, mini iPad 4. So any of those big compartments, you can put it easily in here. There we go. This is sitting in the other one. And by the way, there's also like a little slip pocket in here, which I didn't really use it yet. I don't know if I will ever use it because it's very kind of thin and narrow. But yeah, the mini iPad, yes, your back is gonna get a little bit heavy, but the mini iPad would fit if you need to carry this with you. So I was also, in the beginning when I had this bag, when I purchased this bag, I was using my Clemence wallet, and I just want to show you how it will fit inside the bag. As you can see, it sits beautifully and there's plenty of room, so you can definitely, if you're looking to purchase this bag, you can definitely use a full-size wallet. So even slightly bigger wallet will fit in, but I think there's no longer wallet than this. Maybe if you have the one of those, I don't know, those kind of oversized, maybe they're a little bit longer. But yeah, Clemence wallet will fit beautifully. So as you can see, so this is pretty much empty. Let me just take this card holder out. So the back is, as you can see, it's all black inside. I know it's probably difficult to see all the compartments, but basically, like I mentioned, it's all leather back. It's beautiful. Yes, if you stuff it, like if you put a lot of stuff, it will get a little bit heavy. I like to wear it crossbody, so I have you know, set up on the longest length. And this bag also features a beautiful handle, which is very handy, you know, just to grab it. The thing that annoys me so far about this bag is this little clochette, or whatever you call it, it just gets in the way all the time. So I'm thinking just to take it off, you know, and just to save my frustration, because I mean, it just dingles around and just I don't know, it's just kind of, I mean, I like, it's kind of cute that it's there, but it's not very practical, if you know what I mean. Because see, if I open this flap, this will lift right together with the flap, and then you put it back, and then it's kind of, that's what's happening. Then you're trying to grab the handle. Do you see what's happening there? Yeah, so you have to kind of always put it back in the correct way. So yeah, this thing is a little bit annoying. Also, I think the bag is slightly heavier because it's all leather bag, it's not a canvas bag, so I think it's a little bit heavier than the Pochette Métis. But don't get me wrong, it's not like super duper heavy. I mean, it's like a nice, you know, leather bag. This bag also features a back pocket, which I love, and obviously I have my cell phone right in here. Fits perfectly. Again, it's the same feature as the Pochette Métis. You have a zipper, so everything will be secured. Even if you want to put some cash here and, you know, keep it against your body as you walk. And I think it's great. I just keep my cell phone in here, and most of the time this pocket is just open because I don't bother to close it. So First impressions, you guys, beautiful bag. Beautiful bag. I've already got so many compliments on it, and I'm very happy that I was able to get it. And I think the crossbody length is perfect. Of course, you can keep it on your shoulder, so you can just make it a little bit, you know, shorter. I mean, so far I really don't have any complaints. The leather smells beautifully. I really like it. And you know, I mean, I didn't get it dirty yet. I think that microfiber might get a little bit dirty, you know, as we use, because it's black, so maybe you can see some on it. But so far, I mean, I just have it for a couple of weeks, so I cannot really, you know, complain. So far is good, and I'm sure the hardware will get scratched. Okay, if I recall my pochette Matisse, the hardware, you know, the front hardware was very scratched, because, you know, it's just something that we constantly close it, and you know, but I think this might be a little bit less. The pochette Matisse has this kind of push lock, but this one you just have to, you know, you have to align it very nicely with this little hole in between the LV in order to close it. So maybe it's not gonna be as bad as pochette Matisse, but I mean, I'm not gonna cry if it's gonna get scratched. This is just, you know, a normal use. But yeah, so this little clochette is really the only negative thing that I can tell about this bag. So far everything is holding beautifully, and I love those little, you know, folds. I don't know how you call it exactly, but I think it's just beautiful. You have it on both sides, and I love the little details, like those little tiny, you know, pulls or tabs, whatever you call them, right there. I just think it's beautiful detail. And obviously you have this little Louis Vuitton print right here in the back. This is the same as on the clochette. So one side has, it says LV, there we go, and the other side is pretty much, the other side is empty. And yeah, I think it's very well made handbag. There's no feet whatsoever in here, so, you know, I mean, why would you put it on the floor? It's just kind of, you know, small bag just to begin with, so I don't think anybody should put it on the floor. But the stitching is beautiful. Everything looks beautiful so far, and I hope this is how it's gonna stay. I'm very happy and I'm very happy with the color choice, because like I mentioned, I did try the one with like a cream. This packet was like a cream color, and I did not really like it. I just thought there was the cream against the black was just sticking out too much, and I don't know, it was just not my vibe. But the whole entire black with the silver hardware, I just thought is timeless, and you know, it's like a classic bag. Yeah, I hope I covered everything. I'm very happy. I think this bag is beautiful, and like you saw, it fits a lot of stuff. I mean, I didn't have much stuff in here. You can put a lot more, and you know, just so if you have even like a mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, it will fit in here, because this cosmetic case is pretty much the size of the mini pochette, so this fits beautifully. Mini pochette will, iPad mini, full-size wallet. So if this is all you need, everything, it will fit beautifully. If I would have a choice, probably with this bag, I would rather use a smaller wallet, so then you have more room for other stuff in case you need to put something. But like you saw, the full-size wallet will fit in, so if you don't like switch your wallets, and yeah, I think this bag works beautifully. See this? Yeah, let me know, should I keep it on or should I just take it off? And let me see how it looks without it. Okay, so this is the look with no clochette on it. What do you guys think? Should I keep it this way, or should I put the little thingy back? I don't know. I mean, it's a very clean, you know, look, so I like it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are looking to purchase this bag, go for it, because it's beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!